Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting minimal prerequisites out of the way. Update Messenger and confirm you control the account. Once done, back up any threads you want to keep, because removing end-to-end options can delete secret chats. Next, open Messenger, tap your profile icon, and head straight to the Privacy or Secret Conversations area. Make sure the person you message knows you will stop using encrypted modes. Coordination avoids confusion when messages stop syncing. Now you move into the complex middle steps. Locate secret conversations under privacy settings and switch the feature off. This prevents new end-to-end encrypted threads. If the app lacks a global toggle, simply stop initiating secret threads and avoid options labeled secret or encrypted. Then delete any existing secret conversations to clear stored encrypted content from your device. Make sure to confirm deletions. Some platforms keep ephemeral caches. To finish, test by sending a normal message and verifying it appears as a regular thread on both devices. If you still see encryption indicators, sign out everywhere and reinstall Messenger, then recheck privacy settings. This clears stale flags. Make sure linked devices and web sessions are updated, because a secondary device can continue secret threads. If issues persist, restart devices and repeat deletion of secret threads. That one troubleshooting tip resolves most lingering encryption markers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.